Hey guys, it's Amanda, present day Amanda, might I add. The video that you're about to see is a video that I filmed when I visited Korea in October of last year, so almost 5 or 6 months ago. I had filmed this collab with Sara then, and we're only getting around to posting it now. So I just wanted to reassure you guys that this was not filmed recently. As you can tell in the video, I have a completely different hair color. I have not traveled recently. I have no plans to travel anytime soon, so yes, it was way before all of the virus stuff, and hopefully even though none of us can travel right now, you guys can feel like you're experiencing something new through these videos. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Do not worry, I'm safe. I'm here in my apartment in Toronto, not traveling. So enjoy the video. This is me learning Korean calligraphy in Korea from a calligraphy master. Anyone who's watched a video on my channel knows that I am a self-proclaimed hand lettering and calligraphy enthusiast. I've been practicing my handwriting and my cursive and my lettering for years now, and I would say I've gotten the hang of it. But now that I was comfortable with English calligraphy, I was ready for a bigger challenge, doing calligraphy in a completely different language. The only problem was that I only spoke English. So when I visited Seoul, South Korea in October of last year, I thought it was the perfect opportunity. I recruited the help of my friend Sara, and we found a traditional Korean calligraphy class taught by a very lovely and knowledgeable teacher. We learned so much, and it was a very relaxing and enriching experience that I wanted to share with you guys, so here's how it went. Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Seoul, Korea, and I have a special guest with me. This is Sara. Hi. But today we're here in a traditional Hana, and we're going to be trying some traditional Korean calligraphy. It's going to be very interesting because I'm good at English calligraphy. She's way better at Korean. We'll see who ends up better, but yeah, we're at Eugene House and we have a lovely Youngyeon. She's gonna be teaching us. She's a sungsein.
Yep, sungsein.
So she's our teacher and we're gonna be learning. All right, let's do it.
So when they were young, they learned that they have to write like the letters exactly the same.
Oh, okay.
Like exactly the same. But these days, calligraphy is changing a lot. So each letter now has its own, can have its own design.
Ah, cool. Like stylized.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. So they used to get scolded in the past because you have to do it like exactly this way. So if you didn't write it exactly that way, they're like, oh, why can't you like make it like nice? Like, why did you do it so badly? So they get scolded. So these days they don't write by hand a lot, it's all by typing. So lots of different types. Well, there is a lot of different types. So we're going to do traditional today, and like the how it's kind of changed more these days, the more modern style. So this is called a pyoru.
Pyoru.
Mo. This is called mo. So these four are a set called 문방사우. The paper.
Okay.
No. 이게 아니고 그런데 요거를
add some water in for about 30 minutes, just like make the ink. So the grandchildren, even though they get like bored doing this, that's how they like calm down.
Oh yeah, very like
get peaceful. Yeah.
그리고 그래서 오늘은 우리도 인격 수양을 하기 위해서 30분, 1시간 할까요?
30 minutes to an hour. Let's go.
이라고 있는데 이게 연적은 아니에요. 지금
So she's like, there's a pretty one called a 연적?
연적이
Only a little bit of water comes out.
이렇게
Just like this.
여기를 먼저.
Can you imagine doing it for 1 hour?
It's arm day.
You need a good attention span.
I know.
여기를 이렇게 잡아야지.
Okay. You grab it like this.
Oh, okay.
이렇게. You could do ASMR with this.
ASMR. I'm like, picks it up. I can read Korean, I just don't know what I'm saying.
But that's the first step, because Korean, the language, you know, the characters are generally quite phonetic. I think that's what you would say, is in like, you know, each letter has an assigned sound. Sometimes it changes, but that's the first step, is learning how to use the characters. Oh, she's like, smell the...
목향이라 그래요.
Oh. She's like, that's the smell of the muk. I can feel it getting smoother though. I feel so bad. We're doing like all this like beautiful work and mine's gonna look so bad.
It's the heart.
I'm gonna try. I want to put my heart into it.
We have to actually try.
해볼까요?
Now this is intimidating. Here's the paper in front of us.
I just like, your handwriting is so gorgeous and you have no idea how bad mine is.
Just say it's a stylistic choice.
I would if it even had a style, but there's not even any like continuity within the terribleness.
I feel like with this stuff though, like when it looks more like free and abstract, it almost looks better than if it's like very angular and like perfect.
Let's go with that.
Like, yeah, you know,
like,
we'll say that.
What if it's like angular in the wrong places? I almost feel like pressure because we're using the expensive brushes that it's like, if it doesn't look good, I'm like, oh, I've like wasted. So you can dry it out like that.
많을 때, 물이 많을 때는 옆으로 이렇게 해서.
So when there's a lot of water in it, this is how you, oh, my hand got stuck in that shape. You know how you like hold it for so long, you're like, like when you carry up all the shopping bags.
여기 마음이 동그라면 동그랗게 하고, 마음이 세모면 세모로 하고, 마음이 별이면 별로 하고, 마음이 네모면 네모로 하고.
I realized the placement of the ink is like terrible for my left-handedness because you know how when left-handers smudge, so we write like this.
Oh my god, what are you gonna do?
It's just gonna be even worse than my normal handwriting.
What's a representative symbol of Korea?
I feel like I want to start with a circle because on the Korean flag they have the blue and the red.
Okay.
And then I want to fill it with food.
Oh, yeah.
Because food is life. Can you draw a perfect circle?
Let's see.
In one go. Oh no, it looks nice already.
Oh, it was so close.
Life could be swirls.
That was very satisfying though. Oh, yours is big.
Oh, it's kind of a square.
Nice.
잘하네.
Oh, hers is already so nice.
Oh, that's so nice.
It's printed.
It does.
요즘 모든 저거는 바뀌어서 이렇게 그 옛날 스타일은 잘 쓰질 않았어요. 쓰기 쉽게, 보기 쉽게.
Easy to read. Oh, I love it when she pulls the stroke like that.
The dry brush effect.
I want an ASMR.
I know.
선생님 ASMR 채널 만들면 진짜 잘 될 것 같아요. Before you came, she was saying about talking about how she wanted to do YouTube.
Oh.
ASMR 좋은 마이크 있으면 ASMR 찍으면 진짜 잘 될 것 같아요. 좀 피스풀하게 그냥 이렇게 선만 나오고 카메라 안 움직여도 되고 잘 될 것
말도 안
같아요.
해도 되고.
그렇죠? She's saying it's hard because it's so busy to film.
여러 가지 타입으로 모든 스타일은 many types.
So there's like lots of different styles. So I think she's like, you know, you can find your own style. Like everyone's different.
Many types.
Okay, so guys, we have to write what is life in Korean.
What is life? We've come for a hanja class and I've gone away with an existential crisis.
우리 집이
What is life? It's a lot of pressure.
We have to write it in Korean.
We're literally jumping right in. I was expecting like a nice tutorial.
She's like, what's life? Just like answer that question. My mind is abstract.
I went to the Han River yesterday and it was the most amazing thing.
Oh, I actually went to Bangpo.
Yeah.
Bangpo is like my favorite place.
It was like, I can see why everyone does it. So like, I'm gonna draw a river because it was life changing.
Did you get takeaway there? Like
yes,
like,
we got
like
chicken.
Pizza? Yes.
And we got ramen.
So express your name through like a drawing.
Okay.
So make the name like a drawing. I drew my cat here, but I messed up his name. It's supposed to say Loki, but it's just kind of like a blob. And then he
So cute.
is a little black cat with a really fluffy tail.
I'm gonna be like, what's going on down here?
That was an ink blot, right, Amanda? Like this. I'm impressed with that. I'm gonna give that a 7 out of 10.
You're doing way better than
Maybe a
you
strong
let on.
지금 이게 글자가 똑같아요.
아 그래요?
그러니까 이제는 기울기, 크기, 굵기
아.
다 다르게 한번 해보세요.
근데 제가 원래 그런 편이에요. 그래서 이거 저한테 너무 대단해요. She's like, these are all the same letters. You need to make some of them like bigger, smaller. And I'm like, that's such a big thing for me to get all the same. 아, 네, like a puzzle. Okay. 제가 한 번 더 써볼게요. 근데 지금 이거 너무 마음에 들어요. 제가 원래 저한테 이거 예뻐요. 한국 사람은 못생기게 생각할 수도 있는데요.
오, 좋아요. 그렇게 쓴 거 상관이 없어. 요즘은 핸드라이팅이 너무 어려워서 레이첼이
Okay, let's go.
호주사라.
호주 살아있네.
호주.
That's so cool. She has like half water on her brush and half ink, so it's making this like 3D effect.
You can do it with a toothbrush. We've got a choice. Maybe I think we can choose.
있는 것을 찾아서
She's like, I'm finding something we can do easily. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. 너무 예뻐요.
그림을 그려도 되고
You can do a
내
painting.
이름을 가지고
Or
여기에
your
디자인을
name.
해도
You can
되고
do a design.
지금 하나 만들어서 집에 가지고
That's so cool.
She's like, it might be a little bit hard to write.
Worth it.
거기에 작품을 아트를
Essentially, you can hang it, like, you can use it, you can hang it in
So
your
pretty.
house, really cool. She's like, what do you want to do? Try it out on here first.
Okay. Guys, it's starting to rain, but I feel like that adds to the ambiance.
It does. I don't think it'll come up on camera, but
Yeah, I have my fan design. I'm ready to go. It's a little hard to write on it because it's like a zigzag texture, but we're gonna attempt and try our best.
we're getting a cool effect on this because it's like raining now. As we ink, it's like making the ink run.
Look a lot better than we actually are.
Honestly, it's giving like a traditional vibe.
Yeah.
I'm liking this. This is my little berry plant because I like plants and I like
that turned out
berries.
really, really well.
I think the berries was a boss
good
move.
choice.
I want to put something in this corner. Should I do something Australian in that corner? Like a quokka.
If you can draw a quokka, I'd be very impressed.
I cannot.
Or like
So I
with
will not.
Marmite, is that the
No, Vegemite.
Vegemite?
Like a tub, like a little tub of Vegemite.
Yeah, I've never tried Vegemite.
It's great. It's just salty. Like if you like
That's what
salty
I've heard.
food.
Heard the move is to put it on toast.
Yeah, you put
Okay.
it on. So if you don't like, if the first time you eat it, you just put like a little bit on,
Okay.
and like lots of butter.
So pretty. Yours turned out so well.
I mean, like that's beautiful. So don't compare ours, everyone.
I know, but you were really setting yourself up at the beginning. I was expecting way
Honestly,
worse.
I've written 2 words. Like, if you saw my English writing, I think it's masked by the fact it's written in Korean. Like
Yeah.
any Korean
Oh,
native
that's
speakers,
cool.
you can let us know in the comments how terrible. my
Actually, maybe no.
Please lie.
So we're doing name stamps, and this says Eugene.
So this says Eugene.
Eugene.
Because the bigger ones are hard to push down and get it all in it. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get the reveal. Oh, that was a good one. Wow. That's satisfying.
Years of stamping experience.
Also, a little bit like that, you can do it.
여기도 여백에는 이렇게.
So she's like, you can put like the big one like there if you want, like.
Guys, I didn't leave enough empty space. What do you think?
Oh, I feel like that would be nice. Yeah, I like that.
We're doing it.
Let's go. Ready? Go close up on the head. Oh, no, that's good. That's a solid effort.
There we go.
Yeah, I like that in the middle. It's like a little
이거는
flash of
아마
color.
아주 오래된 걸 거야. 200.
Oh, this is like a two. She's like, I think this is about 200 years old. Also, there's no red stamp on this one. Oh wow. Whoa.
낙관도 없고.
Oh, so I think there's 4 types of plants, flowers that they draw a lot of. So like bamboo, kukwa is. So kukwa is like another one, but there's like tea of it, but I don't know what the English word is for it. And there's one called nan, but I don't know what that is. Sorry, which is this one. She'll show us. It's like hard for the ones to flower next to like stones or like boulders, I think she's saying. I did not describe art enough in Korean. Sorry, I'm doing my best.
No.
She's like, here would be a good spot because it's like in between the bamboo.
Right.
여기
한 번 더.
네네네. Make sure I get it the right way up. The first that test stamp was a decent.
Yeah, you did good.
중간에 여기.
Okay.
Ready for the reveal? 하나,
살짝.
Just like look at just a little bit.
Oh, you did it.
Nice.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah, I like it on the side like that. I think that's really cool. So it's
The
like
big one's really cool. I want to get my name stamped now. That's so cool.
you can do it at Insadong where we're going next.
Ooh.
Like you can.
All
make
right.
a stamp.
Look at you making dreams happen. Okay, ready?
Oh, just let it come all the way out. There we go.
Yay!
Oh, this is great.
Wow, this was like the perfect class, guys.
Right.
Okay. So we're done, guys. I feel like we have accomplished something here. Whether it's the perfect Korean, I don't know, but I feel very satisfied with this.
Me too. I'm like, this turned out way better than I thought it
I
would.
know, this was so fun. Honestly, I really recommend this class. I'm gonna leave a link to this experience down below.
유진 엄마.
Yu진 엄마. So she's Eugen's mom.
김영면. 유진 엄마.
She was so lovely.
Eugen's mom.
감사합니다.
How do you feel?
I'm so happy right now. Like, I'm gonna use this in my videos too. I'm just gonna like randomly like whip it out and just be like.
This would be so pretty, like hung
thank
up on
you
the
for
wall.
inviting me.
Oh my gosh, of course. Thanks for being on my channel. Guys, we're actually going to be filming a video on her channel as well, so be sure to go check it out. What are we doing?
So we're gonna do a street food tour of Insadong, and we're also gonna go see where they sell a lot of these kind of places. If you want to make a stamp, we can make a
We
stamp.
definitely will. Because that's like more traditional area.
Yeah, it's the more traditional ones. They have like the handmade paper. It's a really nice area.
Okay, go check it out because I feel like that's going to be a lot of fun, just like hanging out, eating street food. I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to click that bell button down below so you never miss a new one. Unfortunately, the future videos will not be in a beautiful henna like this, but we can dream. I'll green screen myself into this.
Take a photo.
Yeah. All right, bye guys.
Nice meeting you, doodles.